What's up, bro? What they say?
It's the news, bro.
Oh.
What news channel?
Channel 2, NBC 2.
NBC 2, wow. Yes, you're gonna kill it with the BMX helmet. I'm trying to get my high five. Say what? Let's go. Oh, I'm on the little Kawasaki 110. Yes, sir. Wearing the Crocs. Ah! I'm about to run into my ass. Yes, sir. Got good vibes out here. Let's go. On the ground ski, we got everyone out here. One coming this way, let's go. One coming that way. We got homies on the little pit bikes out here. Oh my god, homie coming in hot, bro. Flying. Alright, we got a whole squad with us now off-roading. This is sort of sick though. Whole crew coming through here. Got UTV, 4-wheelers, a Grom. Oh, I'm so glad I'm recording, bro.
You're gonna have to delete that.
Hell no, bro. That's 100% going in, dude. Bro, there's some bikes coming through here. I can hear them. Damn. Hey! Go through it!
I'm not going through that water,
This got a little rowdy. Alright, we're back at the Meth Lab RV. So, Meth Lab. It's a meth lab. From Breaking Bad. Come on, Crown versus Wyatt. Bro, his thing said we were going 70 right there. Is that gauge accurate? No? Oh. What are you recording for?
We're just getting some shots of people doing tricks and stuff. We were talking to a couple earlier. They had like 5 or 6 motorbikes, and they had them all stacked up on the side of their house in a trailer. And someone came just in the middle of the daylight and just took all of them right off the side.
Y'all seen any of these bikes? Really? Okay, yeah, because
It was the guy, it was the owner of the bike.
yeah, so we interviewed them, and then they're like, we got a nephew that's out in Yorkshire right now. So we're like, I don't think it'll burn out the spot. We won't name the spot. We'll just say they're out in the area.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. I understand.
Oh yeah, this is perfect for this.
Yeah. But I'm gonna keep an eye out. They live here or something?
They live like 10 minutes away.
Ah.
And he said, I mean, he upped it a grand, the reward, another grand.
How'd they steal all these bikes? They're just...
Broad daylight. Someone came, picked up 4.
They're all in a trailer, you said?
Yeah, they were on a trailer. They just took them right off broad daylight.
Damn. That's...
Yeah.
That's horrible.
Keep an eye out and you can win 3 grand.
They ain't have to pay y'all.
Oh no.
They just
Hell no.
called y'all.
Yeah.
So that I can just call and be like, hey, I want you guys to come
Yeah,
out.
and if you had some video, that'd be even better. We could come out and we talk to you, hear your story, and
What news channel?
Channel 2, NBC 2.
NBC 2, wow.
Yeah, we'll be on tonight at 11.
What's up, bro? What they say?
It's the news, bro.
Oh,
I guess someone got their bike stolen, like 4 bikes out of like a neighborhood outside of here or something.
Oh yeah, it's like 5 bikes.
Yeah.
They stole like 5 bikes from them. Whoa. That shit crazy. New bikes, good looking shit too. Dirt bike and like.
But I mean, they're cool people. They're just doing their job, so. Oh, we got stuck. There it is. Let's go. Yes, sir. What's good, bro? How you doing? What's up, y'all? Thank you, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, I've been scraping that. It just keeps snapping, bro.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Or maybe I looped it. Who knows?
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. Hold up for the camera. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what we talking about, some quads out here. What's good, y'all? What's good, man? How y'all doing? For real? Hey, let's go. Well, nice to finally meet you. Oh, what's good? Hell yeah, let's go. Bro, I just put a new spark plug in this Bro, it rides 100 times better. Yo, like I was saying to the homies, I put a new spark plug in this thing and it rides completely different. Like, it's so responsive and I don't know, it's just vibey, bro. Ooh, there's a truck coming, bro. What's he gonna do? Yes, sir. Say what?
I just removed the car, but it's not screwed all the way.
It goes by itself. I'm not even hitting it, it's going. Why is it idling so high? It was, bro, it was going without me hitting any gas. A little 150 action. Bro, the bike is looking ratchet. Let's go. Holy moly, this thing is looking rough. Alrighty gang, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to stay motivated. The news came here, which is freaking insane. They're all the way down there. It's a bummer, man. Hopefully the spot doesn't get blown out. I mean, like, bro, this is the safest area for us, bro. Like, you don't want us in the streets. Like, let us be here. And for the people, the reason that they're saying they came out here is because 5 bikes got stolen. So who knows the actual reason they're out here. But hopefully the homies get their bikes back, because that's never cool, stealing someone's property. But yeah, stay motivated. I freaking love you. Peace.